face or plum. So can you see? So why I didn't use the even to the end is so I don't have myself looking embalmed. So plum, you go moderate, you can do 50, you can do 60, depending on how tired looking your face looked. I'm talking of the under eye bar. So why I'm using a close face look, so I can actually know what I'm doing. Then smooth, by the time you've done this even and plum, you might not really need to do much with the smooth. That's why I said if you don't have the pro, you can work with smooth. But if you have the pro, I mean the smooth, you might not really need to do much, because the smooth just smoothing your skin, but it doesn't give you that plum look, like hides your underbag and stuff. So let's use the smooth like 30 or even less, because I've done a lot with even and plum. So skin tone, most times before I go for the skin tone, I watch the video after using these 3 features. But I love to use the skin tone, and this is my best. Going to skin tone, almond is my best. I just love almond. I love almond. I'm not really a fan of looking pinkish white. If this is your choice, good for you. So when you see people selling them skin white products, this is where they go to. You know, they make use of those features that make the skin whiter, like this one. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you. Let me play the video for you so you see what it looks like. So do you see? Now the skin is skinning, it's even and all of that. There's no doubt that my skin is clear, guys. So pause it again. Let us go back and see what why I always choose what do they call it? Why I always choose almond. I love almond. See, it gives me that perfect glow and stuff like that. So I love the almond so much. I really don't use any more features. I use the white teeth sometimes, and whenever I use the white teeth, I just go to wherever my teeth shows, pause there, go to white teeth, and I use just 8. I don't go above 10, so it's not looking terrible. So I just stop at 8 or 10, 8 to 10. That's what I use, and that is good for me. Okay guys, now look at what the almond gives me. Did you see the glow? So I really prefer the almond to the whole white looking stuff. Pause. Now let me show you my final move. Okay, then this is the final. I'm going to tap on the video once again and go straight to adjust. When I get to adjust, so most people call this their color grading, but me, well, yeah, color grading. I go straight to temp. So instead of moving front, this is what front gives you. Nah, it's not good. I move back instead. I go for depending on how the video looks,